Because last week at Manhattan, I recorded this, but it was not recorded. So I was not able to post. But this time, this is another type of time series data. So we're doing that with all. The URL for this is www.quantmod.com. Some of you may be interested in this issue. So why don't we start RStudio? So we have RStudio here. Hola, is this being recorded? Oh, we have. He's very good at. Okay, so QuantMod is something that you can download. How can we install QuantMod? What is the language that you have to do in RStudio? What you need to do is install .packages packages and QuantMod. I think it is installed. After this, then you can do library and QuantMod. Oop, there's an error. Quanto. It's not Quanto mode. QuantMod. Okay, good. So we are ready. Are you? We're doing, or you just watching? Watching. I want you to do the way that I do. Okay? Watch. This is very, very good. We need to get symbol. You know, this goes to the stock market. Any stock market that you are interested in? Maybe Google, right? Google. Oh. Get symbols. Get symbols. Okay, Google is with us right now. So last Google, say 12 sets of data about Google stocks. Look at that. Today is what? 24th, right? So retrospectively, this is yesterday. Yesterday is Google opened with this number 541, high 550, low 540, and so on and so forth. Here is this volume. 3 million volumes sold or purchased. Adjusted that. So you can gather some numbers, some data. What kind of data is this? This is the time series data. And also we can get the chart of this. Chart series, time series, Google, and subset is, say, 2015, 14. See what happens. This is a Google chart. If you know how to interpret this, this is too much. So if you do, for example, 215, then a little bit. You'd
have to do like maybe 2 years.
Right. Yeah. So you can get the number. For example, if you want to save this, then you can save A equals last 12 data of A, then type A, then that is A. You can save that A in a file, and then you can gather time series data from the financial sectors very easily. That this is what you can get from somewhere. If you want to see the closing markets only, then rather than Google as a whole, then you can say CL for closing. The Google, then you can see the closing data only. Oops, CL. I think that is closing. Error last CLGOOG12 could not find the function CL. Maybe capital C, uppercase C. Yeah, so we have a closing market only. All right. So those the language can be found from this QuantMod. This is really actively used. This all QuantMod in all can be controlled and manipulated by Python. Then if you making some script in Python, more user-friendly in graphical user interface, then this will be some of the products that you can sell to Wall Street. Okay? This is all I want to do a little more. Any question, any comments about this? It's very fast. See, networks goes still fast. Scalability issues, that is the issue with the R. I'm not sure, for example, maybe. If I choose 120, see what happens. Very fast, see? 120 days of, and then, for example, you can do closing only, capital C and L. And then the way that we did for moving average, right? The last week that we learned. Let me bring up that file, see how we could do in the way that we did the last time. Here. I think this is it. So we need to do TTL, yeah, here. SMA, TTL SMA. So library, see if we have a TTL. Yeah, there. And then we do SMA. SMA, and then time series data. Yeah. I want to squeeze this a little bit. Okay. So B equals SMA, A, and then n equals, say, 13. Okay. And then I want to do plot.ts, right? .ts time series B. This is smooth. So what Google's trend last 112 days, it dropped like 60 days ago, and then it went up and a little bit dropped. That is the trend of Google. But by looking at this, let's export this, save as image. Okay, I'll put this somewhere here. Oh, this is only within Studio. Okay, and then I need to save. I'm not sure where it was saved, but anyway, plot.ts is this. So I want to export, save image. Where is it saved? Directory. Oh, it is saved to documents, so I can save it. So when I come back here and documents, most recent, it's not really saved here. Oh, here. Yeah. One this and another this. Okay. So see, this is a smoothed. This is a real raw data. So we can see more clearly some trend of Google. With this, we don't see it, right? Much, the way that we look at here. There's a time series data. One way of summarizing time series data using moving averages. Okay? This is it. Let me close.